Are you ready to transform your finances? Welcome to the Penny Pinchers Club, where we demystify complex financial concepts. Today we're exploring the unique concept of zero-based budgeting, a powerful tool for everyone, from budgeting beginners to finance aficionados. This dynamic approach requires you to allocate every dollar of your income to specific expenses, savings, or investments, starting from zero every month. It's not just about monitoring your cash flow, it's about strategic allocation. Zero-based budgeting is making your money work for you, not just tracking it. The beauty of zero-based budgeting lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. This approach isn't just about keeping your financial house in order. It's about taking charge of your money and your life. It fosters accountability, as you decide where every dollar goes. It helps you identify and eliminate wasteful expenditures. And perhaps most importantly, it aligns your spending with your life's goals, ensuring your money is working towards what truly matters to you. It's not just about cutting costs, it's about optimizing your financial resources. Think zero-based budgeting is complex? Think again. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. 1. Jot down your monthly income. 2. List out all your expenses from your rent to that irresistible morning latte. 3. Assign every dollar a job. That's right, make each dollar work as hard as you do. Just ensure your expenses don't surpass your income. It's like a game of financial Tetris, aligning your income and expenses perfectly. Remember, the goal is to have $0 left unallocated. Like any new habit, zero-based budgeting comes with its challenges. It might feel like a chore or seem too restrictive. But remember, persistence is key. Stay flexible, adjust your budget as life happens. It's not about restrictions, it's about empowerment. We'd love to hear your experiences with zero-based budgeting. Has it transformed your finances? Share your stories in the comments below. Start your zero-based budgeting journey today, and watch your financial goals turn into realities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. Happy budgeting!